How to track XC money transfer. XC is a foreign exchange company that provides real-time currency conversion, exchange rate data, and international money transfer services. It is widely used by individuals and businesses for checking exchange rates and sending money globally. First, download XC Money Transfer application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email and password. Click on the menu at the top right corner. Click on My Transactions to proceed. On this screen, you will see a list of your past transactions. Select the transfer you wish to track and click on the three dots. Click on Track My Transaction. The entire journey of your money transfer is displayed on this page. Go through the details and check the status. That's it. Thanks for watching.